2007 Chevrolet Avalanche Crew Cab Pickup. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas ethanol 5.8, 5.3 L325, 4WD traction control, stability control, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, tow hooks, conventional spare tire, aluminum wheels, power steering, anti-lock brake system, four-wheel disc brakes, running board side steps, rear parking aid, automatic headlights, daytime running lights, heated mirrors, power mirrors, privacy glass, intermittent wipers, cargo shade, power driver seat, pass-through, rear seat, rear bench seat, floor mats, front reading lamps, adjustable steering wheel, leather steering wheel, engine immobilizer, cruise control, tire pressure monitor, power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, telematics, multi-zone AC, rear defrost, AM/FM,